Alright guys, what's happening? Right, so today is 2 Minute Tuesday. You might realise I'm wearing the same as last week's 2 Minute Tuesday, and that's because I'm doing it on the same day. Look at that preparation for you. So today I'm going to talk about packs. So I've tried loads of different packs over the last few years, and now I'm flying 6S, and it's honestly, it's just better. I could spend 5 minutes talking about why it's better, but I'm not going to. Just trust us, it's better. So the packs that I fly are CNHL Black. There you go. You might be able to see them, you might not. I don't even have my camera's focused. There you go. CNHL Black, 1100. That's shit. There you go. CNHL Blacks, 1100 milliamps. They weigh in at like just over 200 grams, so they're nice and, well, they're a decent weight, you know. They give you loads of punch. They're pretty robust. You can smash them off the ground, and occasionally they might break, but as all packs do, you know. But yeah. The best bit about it, they're only £17.50 each, which is just an absolute bargain. So, yeah, I'm going to throw a little pack up now, and I'll give it some stick, and you'll see how much shit they can give. One of the other good things about them is that they really do seem to be true to that C rating, which a lot of packs, it's just bullshit. But yeah, if you're looking for packs, go and buy these. If you're only running 4S at the minute, put a motor output limit, stick it on 64%. Happy days, where you can. Adios.
What's it you're landing on there?